Dear children, let's start the class with chapter organ systems. So today we'll do this chapter because page 14 of this chapter is left. Today we'll complete this page and also we'll discuss the last class homework. Let's start. Take out page 14 of your book. Write today's date there. Let's start with English fun. You know that the word organ means body parts having a specific work. You know that the word organ means body parts, whether it is internal or external, and it has specific work, right? So what is the other meaning of this word? Can you say the other meaning of the word organ? It is musical instrument. What it is? Musical instrument. Next, maths fun. Suppose your heart beats 90 times a minute. So how many times will it beat in 10 minutes? Can you say? If in 1 minute it beats 90 times, so in 10 minutes it will beat 900 times. What you will do? You will multiply 90 with 10. Okay? Now at last is about the food items which keeps our organs healthy. Let's read. So research shows that eating food items like walnuts, egg yolks and the dark chocolates can make our brain healthy. Do you like these items? Even I do. So children, these food items help us to increase our memory power. So children, you find out the food items that keep our other organs like stomach, heart and kidney also healthy. Okay. So children, your chapter is finished. You go through it, you study, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So let's start with the homework of the previous class. Take out your workbook. Take out page 13. Question number 14. Name these organs of the circulatory system. Now you know children, circulatory system is related to the supply of blood in the different parts of the body. Right? For this children, which is the important organ is your heart and blood vessels, right? So children, what work they do and write in the space given. The space is given, you can see at the table. First column shows the name of the organ and the other is your work done. What children you are going to do? Here arrow is given. First number A, arrow indicates what? Your heart. So what work does heart do? Pumps blood to all the parts of the body. What does heart do children? It pumps the blood to all the parts of the body. Isn't it? We have already studied this. And when it pumps the blood, how does it goes to different parts of the body? With the help of blood vessels. So what work does blood vessels do? Helps the blood flow to different parts of the body. You can see in the picture, you can see blood vessels are in all the parts of the body, right? So through these blood vessels, blood flows. Clear? Next, multiple choice questions. So 15, what works all the time even when you are sleeping? Can you name an organ which works even when you are sleeping? Brain. As I told you, brain keeps working even when you are sleeping. Next, question number 16. Which one of the following activities makes our heart beat the fastest? As I told you children, when you do any fast activity, any fast work, then our heart beats fastest. Isn't it? So the options are given here. A is walking, B is sleeping, C is running and D is eating. Can you name the activity which is fast and due to which your heart beat fastest? is running, isn't it? When we run, after that our heart starts beating fast, right? Next, page 14. Question number 17. Identify the organs to match the given description. Here clues are given you, children, and you have to find which organ does it matches. Okay, the first A is it has a memory like that of a computer. Can you name the organ in our body which has a memory like a computer? It is brain. Number B, it works like a water pump. Which organ in our body, children, works like a water pump? Heart. Next, 18. Stand steady. Put your hand on your chest. Try to find how many times your heart beats in a minute. Now, children, if you stand steady and keep your hand on your chest, if you stand straight, keep your hand on your chest, and you try to feel how many times your heart beats in a minute. Okay, now you jog for 1 minute. Do you find any differences in your heartbeat? Yes, isn't it? And why it is so? Because the heart beats faster after jogging. Clear? Next, question number 19. Tick the organs that need to be active even when we are sleeping. If it is not active, then we cannot survive. So can you say that which organs need to be active even when we are sleeping? And if it is not active, then we will not survive, right? So give a reason for your answer. The first picture you can see is a picture of tongue. Is it important to be active even when we are sleeping? No. Next is B, brain. If it stops, children, then people don't survive, right? So it is very necessary for brain need to be active even when we are sleeping. So brain is active even when we are sleeping. C is lungs. You know that lungs is related to respiratory system, and respiratory system is with breathing, helps in breathing, right? So it is also important. It also is important to be active when we are sleeping. So this organ also remains active when we are sleeping. Next is ear. Does it need to be active when we are sleeping? No. Let's move to next page. Page 15. This is the last page of your chapter workbook. This chapter organ system. Question number 20. Help Neha match the given organs to their organ system. Now first organ is heart. So children, heart is related to which organ system? Can you name? It is circulatory system, isn't it? Why? Because it pumps blood and circulate in all the parts of the body through blood vessels, isn't it? Next is stomach. So stomach is related to which organ system, children? Digestive system, isn't it? Why? Because it helps to digest the food, isn't it? Next, brain. Now brain consists in which organ system? It is a part of nervous system. Okay. Last is lungs. Now lungs is a part of which organ system, children? Respiratory system, isn't it? As we have done all this, children. So go through it, revise, and if you find any difficulty, any doubt, you can ask me. So before ending the class, children, we'll conclude here with the quick of this chapter. We'll just go through it once. That what we have studied in this chapter, children, we have studied about the organs. What is organs? Different types of organs, internal and external, right? Then what we have studied, what is organ system, isn't it? Then different types of organ system: circulatory system, digestive system, nervous system, and respiratory system, right? And we have also studied their task in our body. How does it works in our body? So the last what we studied, children, is how which organs also stays active when we are in a sleeping mode. When we sleep, when we are sleeping, so which organs also remain active, right? So this is all in your chapter, children. It's very easy. Go through it and get ready for your upcoming chapter test 2, that is your family as first school.